Smart base running.
Yeah, watch the curve. Oh God, I fouled out. I mean, that's a wicked spin.
Well, that and it's so like inclined. It's hard to get like momentum up.
Yeah,
you know,
it's hard.
it curves right
I
in.
can't do it. I can't kick balls like this. I just get up further, man.
Come on, Jason. Come on.
Take some if you have to.
Wearing him out. Come on.
Let him pitch to you. That's always up.
Right?
Yeah, nice. Come on, Jason.
Shit.
Come on, Jason. Foul. Come on, Jason. It's got to be good. Rocket, no fouls. Yeah, check.
Foul, man.
Oh.
Watch it, Jason.
He's got one strike.
I think so.
3 fouls in the ball.
Go, 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 go.
Go foul, go foul. Nice.
Fuck.